They're set. Racing in the De Sonia Roma Cup. Primadale was the last out of the gates and the first to move. Megatic, Grand Jardin and King Cool Cat got out quickly. Famous Roman also has dropped out after the speed. Power Princess goes up running about fifth. Escadere driving up near the rail. Being followed then by Primadale. Quickly driving up near the inside, going into the back turn. Just in front of Phenomenons. They're being followed by Foxy Boy. Impressive Journey, the centre, followed then deeper out by Grand Nirvana. It was trailed by Idyllic Prince, Kid Schwarzer, Famous Roman and God Has Spoken last. At the 650 and Grand Jardin making good time. He's got the pace on in the Roma Cup and leads the way from King Cool Cat, who's going to stalk him to the turn. 2.5 lengths to Megatic. Escadere's on the rail. Nucky bides his time. He's about to release the brakes on Power Princess on straightening though. She's outside of Phenomenons. Foxy Boy, Grand Nirvana behind them as King Cool Cat races to the lead. 200 to go. King Cool Cat kicked a length and a half. Here comes Power Princess, Primadale and Grand Nirvana. He's opening up, coming home strongly. Power Princess, Grand Nirvana. It's Grand Nirvana. Can he do it again? Grand Nirvana, Power Princess. He's done it. He's got his second Roma Cup. Grand Nirvana has won it from Power Princess. Tight for third between Phenomenons, who's close up in company with King Cool Cat. Megatic the middle from Foxy Boy. Primadale, God Has Spoken, ran on nicely. Escadere, Idyllic Prince were next home from Kid Schwarzer. Impressive Journey, well back Famous Roman, and Grand Jardin has capitulated from the bend to finish last. Number 4, Grand Nirvana, ridden by